Okay, it's Aunt Sue with another Food Challenge Thursday. And this week I'll be tagging Positive Bluebird. She's a real great lady, real positive thinking, and go check out her channel. She's just amazing. Okay, so for Food Challenge Thursday, the things that I have here, so we have a nice little meal here. These are the broccoli with cheese. I never had these like from the Dollar Tree, so I thought I'd check it out. And this is 4.5 ounces. Must be cooked thoroughly. And with that, cheese raviolis. Because y'all know I'm vegetarian, so cheese raviolis. There's pretty many in here. This is 13 ounces. And then I got this pizza sauce from the Dollar Tree. And there's 14 ounces in there. So without further ado, let's see if we can, I'm going to bring it down here. See that? Can you check that out? There we go. And it's looking pretty yummy. So, yes it is. It's looking pretty yummy. So, I am going to try some of the broccoli and cheese first. Okay, it's broccoli and cheese time. Okay, where's the runny cheese? Cheese ain't nothing great. I wouldn't really say that the broccoli is that great either, so that's definitely a thumbs down. I don't even know if I get that one on the go, like to throw in my lunch pail because that it's edible, but no, it ain't nothing I can be grabbing again. Then, yeah, here we go. Let's try these raviolis. With the pizza sauce from the Dollar Tree too. Okay, pardon me a moment. Cleanse my palate, get some water. A little warm out here, so a little thirsty too. So, okay. Here we go. And I sliced it off here. Let's slice it maybe into a smaller shot. And the cheese sauce is really tangy, or the pizza sauce is really tangy. The raviolis, I think that they have like ricotta cheese in here. Okay. Yeah, I think they're a thumbs up, especially because I am looking for something to eat on a vegetarian diet since I don't eat meat. So I definitely do think that that was a thumbs up. Let me take another bite of that. That was pretty good. Yeah. I see it opens like that. So you can see how the cheese is in there. Dropped them. Okay. Yeah, that was really good. So, how is everybody doing today? Had a birthday party for my coworker Joanne yesterday, and that was really fun. I bought it bought it from Walmart. But a cupcake cake. They were all cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes, and it said "Happy Birthday, Joanne." So yes, that was really pretty cool. And we had a good time, and we had food, and brought her in a little gift bag, and yeah, she was really excited and happy. So she's on my channel. Happy birthday, Joanne! So okay, I'm gonna have some lunch now. Thank you all for watching. Positive Bluebird, I'm tagging you, so try 3 things that you haven't ate before. So, okay, bye for now.